And on the ninth day, God looked down on his creation and stated, I need a platform where students and people can show their new ideas with others around the world. So God made Weebly. God said, let's get started. I need something that's going to generate new formats, provide new ways to collaborate, keep up with times, and be there whether one needs a restaurant website, blog, or personal portfolio. God said, I need something that is going to keep the viewers viewing and waiting for the next sleek theme. Once a theme was decided upon, one needed to be able to edit with ease and start creating their website, and then a domain would be created. It had to be something that was going to show an individual's quirks, unique styles, without being impossible to understand. You had to be able to add text, pictures, maps, videos, and audio, as well as social icons and surveys. You had to be able to add pages and apps. And finally, when the time was to come, when all the hard work had been done, easy to publish at the push of a button. So God created Weebly.